among alcohol and the phenol, which is more acidic and why? ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ? What is the reason? Phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Why is this? ನೀವು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ say I'll take our CH3 CH2OH as an alcohol. Acidic ಅಂದ್ರೆ this should give H plus, right? So CH3 CH2O minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus H plus. This is called as alkoxide ion. Now phenol ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು H plus ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? O minus plus H plus. This is called as phenoxide. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ weak acid, weakly acidic. But this is more acidic compared to alcohol. Because if you take the structure, ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸನೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, whereas this ion is stabilized by the resonance. And if you see here, there are alkyl groups. ಒಂದು phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. ಇಲ್ಲಿ resonance ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ phenoxide ion is more stable, that's why it's more acidic. And the second thing is, in alcohol, alkyl groups, the R groups, these are electron donating. So what do? They decrease the acidic strength of alcohol. So due to these two reasons, the phenol is more acidic compared to alcohol. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 3 marks 4 marks ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 marks ಗೆ. Then you should have the proper reason.